What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Rabbi Joe, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so you might be wondering, how do people connect links to QR codes? Well, it's not free, but then I have a free website for you. Okay, so Adobe has this website, very dope website, where you can go there, insert your link, create the QR code, and you're good to go. So first of all, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can have it, can have access to it. You just copy your link or just get your link wherever your link is. Then you enter the website, you click on create QR code, you enter, and you just put it in, and you're good to go. It is very simple. You can save in JPEG, PNG, SVG, or whatever file you want to save, and you're good to go. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.